Listen and read along with the story. The Perfect Pet. Lucas and Dad waited outside for Aunt Sandy. "I wish you could come with us," Lucas said to Dad. "Me too. I'd love to visit Animal Friends," Dad said. Animal Friends was where Aunt Sandy worked. Pets without homes lived there until they found families. The neighbor's cat trotted over. "No, Coco," Dad said. But it was too late. Dad started to sneeze. Lucas carried Coco back to the neighbor's yard. Coco purred in his arms, and he sighed. Lucas wanted a pet, but furry animals made Dad feel sick. "Aunt Sandy is here," Dad called. Lucas ran to Aunt Sandy's car. At least he could have fun at Animal Friends. Poor Dad couldn't even do that. And Lucas did have fun. He got to walk all the dogs. Then Aunt Sandy asked, "Want to see the pig?" "The pig?" "Yep. His name is Marvin. Pot-bellied pigs make good pets." Lucas was surprised by how friendly Marvin was. "Hey," Lucas said, "he has no fur." Aunt Sandy said, "Are you thinking what I'm thinking?" Lucas almost danced with excitement. Marvin won't make Dad sick. He's the perfect pet. Look at the picture. Which part of the story does it show? Dad feels sick because a cat walks by. Lucas walks the dogs at Animal Friends. Lucas meets Marvin, the pot-bellied pig.